power settings on Lenovo Vantage help you manage and prolong the battery life. If you're running the app full screen, you will see My Device Settings under the Device option at the top. If not, you will need to toggle the menu button to select My Device Settings. By default, the Power Settings option shows first. The Power Status option shows the current power status and whether the battery is in good health. Check the battery condition. If it is not good, your battery may need to be replaced. By clicking the See Battery Details button, you can see more information such as the remaining capacity, the full charge capacity, voltage, and so on. Airplane Power Mode reduces the power consumption of your system when you are using the AC power outlet on an airplane. Auto detection is enabled by default, so your ThinkPad turns on the airplane power mode automatically when it detects an airplane onboard environment. The battery charge threshold helps prolong the battery lifespan if you primarily use your laptop with the AC power adapter attached. It does so by keeping the battery charged at less than full charge. Once activated, the battery starts charging when it drops below a certain percentage and stops charging when it reaches another percentage. If your battery is currently charged above the stop charging threshold, detach the power until the battery discharges to or below the stop charging threshold. Reset the battery gauge to allow your computer to estimate the full charge capacity of your battery more accurately. To reset the battery gauge, click Reset. With always-on USB, you can charge a smartphone or tablet quickly from a connector that is yellow-coated or silk-printed with these icons when your ThinkPad is in sleep, hibernation, or off mode. Select Off to turn off the always-on USB. Easy Resume improves your resume time if you frequently open and close your computer's lid. When enabled, your computer will enter low power mode when you close its lid, and it will resume instantly if you reopen your lid within 15 minutes of closing it. This feature also allows your notebook to attempt to finish pending activities such as sending emails or downloading files before the system goes into sleep mode. If you turn on the Lenovo Vantage toolbar, it will show your battery percentage in the Windows taskbar. If you left-click on the icon in your taskbar, you can access some useful quick settings. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.